Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation addresses the diagnostic trouble code DTC P0125, which indicates an ECT, engine coolant temperature sensor 1, malfunction or slow response in Honda Accord models from 2017 to 2023. The ECT sensor measures the temperature of the engine coolant, which is vital for optimizing engine performance and efficiency. A malfunction in this sensor can lead to poor fuel economy, increased emissions, and potential engine overheating. It's important to identify this error early, as it can impact both the vehicle's operational capabilities and its longevity. In this guide, we will explore the components involved, potential causes, symptoms, and a systematic troubleshooting approach to rectify the issue effectively. DTC P0125 signifies a malfunction or slow response of the ECT Sensor 1. This critical component is responsible for measuring the temperature of the engine coolant, allowing the Engine Control Module, ECM, to make decisions regarding engine management, such as fuel injection and ignition timing. The ECT Sensor 1 is typically situated near the engine block, where it can accurately gauge the coolant's temperature. If the readings are erroneous, it leads to improper engine operation and negatively affects vehicle performance. Understanding the location and function of this sensor is crucial for pinpointing issues related to the engine's cooling system and ensuring optimal vehicle operation. Several factors can lead to a DTC P0125 error code. One major cause may be poor electrical connections at ECT Sensor 1, which can disrupt the signal required for accurate readings. Additionally, if terminals connecting the ECT sensor to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, are loose or corroded, it can cause intermittent issues affecting the sensor's performance. Lastly, the faulty ECT Sensor 1 itself may be the root cause, leading to inaccurate readings of coolant temperature. Thorough inspection of these components is vital to identify and rectify the underlying issues leading to this diagnostic trouble code. When DTC P0125 is present, several symptoms may manifest during vehicle operation. One significant symptom is poor fuel economy, as the incorrect coolant temperature readings can induce inefficient fuel management strategies. Additionally, drivers may experience engine overheating, as the system may not be able to regulate temperature effectively. Another common symptom is the illumination of the check engine light, alerting the driver to a potential issue that requires attention. Detecting these symptoms early can prevent further engine damage and ensure the vehicle remains in optimal operating condition. Awareness of these signs can guide timely diagnostic and repair actions. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0125 involves starting the engine and allowing it to idle for 5 minutes or more. This process helps stabilize engine operating conditions, allowing for an accurate assessment of the ECT Sensor 1. Using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, check the signal values of the ECT Sensor 1 to evaluate whether they fall within the specified threshold. For instance, the value should indicate less than -18 degrees Celsius or 0 degrees Fahrenheit. If the conditions match this threshold, investigate for poor connections or loose terminals at ECT Sensor 1, ECT Sensor 2, and the PCM for further diagnosis. If the values do not meet expectations, proceed to the next step. In the second step of troubleshooting, turn the vehicle to the off-lock mode after completing the first step. Allow the engine to cool down to a temperature of 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius or below, which is essential for accurate sensor assessment. Once cooled, restart the engine and let it idle while monitoring the ECT Sensor 1 until it reaches approximately 158 degrees Fahrenheit. 70 degrees Celsius. Using the HDS, closely observe the current parameters of ECT Sensor 2 as well. This value should hover around 70 degrees Celsius, 158 degrees Fahrenheit. If these values align with expectations, proceed to Step 3. However, if inconsistencies arise, it may indicate an intermittent failure that should be investigated further. The third step focuses on the thermostat, a crucial component in maintaining the engine's temperature. Check if the thermostat is functioning correctly and controlling coolant flow as per specifications. If the thermostat is found to be faulty, it needs replacement to restore proper engine operation. However, if it's determined that the thermostat is in fact operational, turn attention back to the connections. Check for poor connections or loose terminals at both ECT Sensor 1 and ECT Sensor 2, as well as the PCM. If these connections are secure and functioning, the last troubleshooting action would be to replace the ECT Sensor 1 to address ongoing issues. After completing repairs based on the earlier troubleshooting steps, it is essential to perform a final verification of the repairs. Conduct a test drive to allow the engine to reach operational temperatures and ensure that all systems are functioning correctly. Keep an eye on the check engine light. It should remain off, indicating that the error code is cleared. Furthermore, recheck the ECT sensor readings to confirm that they fall within the normal operating range. This comprehensive verification process is vital to ensure that the repair was successful and that the vehicle is operating as expected. If any issues persist, further investigation may be required. Preventive maintenance plays a crucial role in ensuring that similar DTC errors, such as P0125, do not recur. Regularly inspect connectors related to the ECT sensors to identify any signs of wear or corrosion that could lead to poor connections. Always clear diagnostics after completing repairs to reset the system and monitor for any future alerts. Additionally, conduct routine coolant flushes in accordance with the manufacturer's recommendations to maintain the cooling system's efficiency. Performing these proactive steps can enhance the longevity of the vehicle and reduce the likelihood of future sensor-related issues. Developing a consistent maintenance plan will lead to a well-functioning Honda Accord. In conclusion, addressing DTC P0125 promptly is crucial for maintaining the performance and safety of Honda Accord models from 2017 to 2023. Timely diagnostics, as outlined in each troubleshooting step, allow for quick identification and resolution of issues related to the ECT Sensor 1. Understanding the associated symptoms can guide drivers to seek professional help sooner, thereby preventing more serious engine problems. Each repair step should be conducted thoroughly, ensuring all connections, components, and systems are functioning correctly. By following this detailed guide, you can effectively manage DTC P0125 and help keep your vehicle in peak condition. Remember, regular maintenance and vigilance can go a long way in preventing these issues from arising in the future. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.